Singapore, a bustling city-state known for its modern infrastructure, vibrant economy, and cultural diversity, also boasts one of the highest life expectancies in the world. As of 2024, Singaporeans live an average of around 84 years, ranking among the global leaders in longevity. But what exactly contributes to the exceptional lifespan of its citizens? 1. A world-class healthcare system. One of the most significant contributors to the longevity of Singaporeans is their access to an excellent healthcare system. Singapore has a highly efficient healthcare model that ensures both affordability and quality care. Citizens enjoy a mix of public and private healthcare services, supported by government schemes like MediSave and MediShield Life. These programs allow individuals to accumulate savings for healthcare expenses and access affordable insurance coverage, respectively. The healthcare system also emphasizes preventive care. Routine health screenings and campaigns encourage early detection and treatment of chronic illnesses such as diabetes and hypertension. Hospitals and clinics are known for their cutting-edge technologies, short waiting times, and efficient management, further enhancing health outcomes for the population. 2. Focus on healthy lifestyle and diet. Singaporeans have embraced healthy lifestyles as part of their cultural norms. Physical activity is actively encouraged through initiatives like the National Steps Challenge, where citizens are rewarded for walking regularly. Additionally, the government promotes a fitness culture by investing in parks, recreational spaces, and sports facilities. Many Singaporeans incorporate swimming, jogging, and Tai Chi into their daily routines, contributing to their physical well-being. Diet also plays a crucial role in longevity. While Singapore is known for its rich culinary diversity, authorities have launched efforts to raise awareness about healthier food choices. The Health Promotion Board, HPB, has introduced healthier dining programs, encouraging food stalls to use less oil, sugar, and salt. Moreover, citizens are advised to increase their consumption of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, aligning their diets with the principles of longevity-friendly eating. 3. Strict public health policies. Singapore's strong governance has played a major role in ensuring public health and hygiene. The country is famous for its strict regulations on smoking, littering, and pollution, which not only keep the environment clean, but also promote better health outcomes. Heavy taxes on cigarettes and strict bans on smoking in public areas discourage tobacco use, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and cancer. Furthermore, Singapore's efficient waste management and clean water systems significantly reduce the risk of infectious diseases. The government also prioritizes mental health with nationwide programs aimed at reducing stress and improving mental well-being, ensuring that both physical and psychological health are given equal attention. 4. Environmental factors and green spaces. Urban planning in Singapore includes an emphasis on sustainability and green living. Despite its high population density, the city has been transformed into a city in a garden with abundant parks, gardens, and green corridors. Spending time in these green spaces has been linked to lower stress levels, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and improved mental health. The government encourages residents to engage in outdoor activities in these parks, fostering both physical and mental well-being. For example, the Bishan Ang Mo Kio Park and the Southern Ridges are popular spots where residents walk, run, and practice mindfulness. Environmental initiatives also contribute to better air quality, which helps to prevent respiratory illnesses, further enhancing longevity. 5. Community spirit and social connectivity. Another essential element of Singaporean longevity is the emphasis on social connections. Singapore promotes strong community engagement through events, volunteer programs, and support networks. Senior citizens in particular benefit from active aging programs designed to keep them socially engaged and mentally stimulated. Multi-generational living is still common in Singapore, which strengthens family bonds and provides older adults with emotional support. Studies have shown that maintaining meaningful relationships helps prevent loneliness and depression, both of which are detrimental to longevity. A close-knit community also fosters a sense of purpose and belonging, which are essential for mental and emotional well-being. 6. Lifelong learning and mental well-being. Singaporeans place great value on education, not just for young people but also for adults. Lifelong learning initiatives, such as the Skills Future program, provide opportunities for citizens to continuously upgrade their skills and pursue new interests. Staying mentally active through education and hobbies helps to delay cognitive decline, keeping older adults sharp and engaged. The culture of lifelong learning also extends to activities like volunteering and mentoring, which provide a sense of purpose to retirees. This focus on mental stimulation and purpose-driven living contributes to overall well-being, an essential factor for living a long and healthy life. 7. Economic stability and employment support. Financial security plays a crucial role in promoting the longevity of Singaporeans by alleviating the stress associated with economic uncertainty. The Central Provident Fund, CPF, Singapore's compulsory savings scheme, ensures that citizens accumulate funds for retirement, healthcare, and housing, providing peace of mind in old age. This system minimizes financial stress, a significant factor that contributes to chronic health issues such as hypertension and mental disorders. Singapore also promotes active aging by encouraging older adults to remain in the workforce. Through the Retirement and Reemployment Act, employers are required to offer job extensions to employees beyond the retirement age of 63, with an option to work until 68 or longer. Many retirees take on part-time jobs or mentorship roles, maintaining a sense of purpose and social engagement. Programs like the Silver Workforce Scheme offer training and subsidies for hiring older workers, fostering intergenerational collaboration. Financial literacy programs further empower citizens to manage savings, avoid debt, and plan for healthcare expenses. This holistic approach, combining employment opportunities, financial stability, and meaningful work, ensures mental well-being, reduces stress, and provides seniors with the resources to lead fulfilling and healthy lives. 8. Public health campaigns and awareness initiatives. Singapore's proactive public health campaigns are integral to its citizens' longevity by promoting preventive care and healthy lifestyles. The War on Diabetes campaign, for instance, educates the public on managing blood sugar levels, encourages healthier eating, and promotes regular physical activity. Preventive health measures like routine screenings ensure early detection of chronic conditions such as diabetes and hypertension, allowing for timely intervention and improved outcomes. Public health awareness extends to other areas, including mental well-being, smoking cessation, and healthy diets. Anti-smoking campaigns, coupled with high taxes and public bans, have resulted in one of the world's lowest smoking rates. Programs such as the Healthier Choice symbol guide citizens toward better food options by encouraging vendors to reduce sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Mobile health screening units make healthcare accessible, especially for seniors and low-income groups. Community events such as fitness challenges and mindfulness workshops engage residents in healthy activities, promoting both physical and mental well-being. Through these initiatives, Singapore fosters a culture of health consciousness, ensuring that citizens take responsibility for their well-being and remain healthy well into old age. If you like this content and find it useful, please give us a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. We would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below.